In this guide, I'm going to show you how to prevent Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening your PDFs. So it can be annoying when Adobe Acrobat automatically opens every PDF file that you download, especially if you intend to use them later and don't need them open immediately. So click on the search bar in the bottom of your screen and type in Adobe Acrobat. Open your Adobe Acrobat application. And here, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. If not, go ahead and sign into your specific account. Once you're logged in, select your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Account. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A new menu will appear, and in the left-hand side menu, click on General, which is between the option of Full Screen and Page Display. Under Basic Tools, scroll to the bottom and uncheck the option that says Always Open PDFs Saved from Web. Uncheck this box and click on OK from the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll be done. Now, if you download the PDF again, it will no longer open automatically on Adobe Acrobat. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.